Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to add buttons in MATLAB App Designer. So now what we need to do, we need to select a button. For example, to select a button, I have to drag this one and drop it over here. For example, I'm keeping it here. So this is for selecting an image. So I'm giving it name select. So now you can see app dot select button. So I can also set the properties of the select button. I can also set the color, font color, background color. I can also change the font size. A lot of configuration, a lot of properties are available over here. We can check this one. So this is for the select button, and another one, I'm taking another one for converting the RGB to grayscale. For example, I am giving it a name convert. So when I click on this, the input image will be converted into the output image. So that's the target and that's the goal of this button. I want to uh, add another button for resetting the whole operation. So I'm giving it a name reset. So now you can see there are three buttons over here: select, convert, and reset, and two figures, left side for the input image and the right side figure is for the output image. So we are done. Now what we need to do, we need to add the functionality of these three buttons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.